So guys, Ayurveda follows a concept of doshas. You might have heard about doshas before. And when it comes to hair fall, it is mostly attributed to the aggravation of something called Pitta dosha. I'll not go into all these details today guys, but I'll definitely talk about some formulations that you can create for your hair if you're having hair fall issues, some things that you can consume, lifestyle changes, some exercises, and just some very basic ideas which are completely doable, very easy to incorporate in the modern day lifestyle. So you can just pick and choose whatever works best for you, whatever suits your needs the most. Let's get started with this video and let's see what these are all about. The Triphala Churna powder is one of the most popular Ayurvedic formulations. A lot of people also consume it internally. What I'll be talking about today is how you can also apply it on the hair. If you want to consume it internally, just talk to a doctor once please, because it helps in balancing all the three doshas. It is actually really good for your metabolism also. And when you apply it externally, it also helps in dealing with hair fall. So yes, it's one of those magical formulations that actually have a lot of benefits. Now you have two options. You can either buy directly from the market. There are a lot of brands selling it these days. I'll see if I can find some good brands and some good links online. I'll put the links in the description box below. Or you can also make it at home. It's actually very easy to prepare, provided you can find all the right ingredients. So I'll quickly tell you how I prepare this at home. For this you will need some herb powder, some bahira powder and amla powder. Mix these in the ratio of 1:2:3. And whenever you want to apply this on your hair, just mix it with a little bit of water and aloe vera gel and you're good to go. The term Balayam literally translates to exercise for hair, and this is such a great exercise because first of all it is super duper easy. Secondly, Balayam will help in not just dealing with hair fall but also improves your hair growth, and most importantly, Balayam is something which you can do while watching TV any time of the day. It is super easy guys. So here's what you need to do. You need to rub your nails. Now again, I know this is something that a lot of you have already heard about before, but let me tell you what is the biggest mistake people make. People usually tend to rub the nails as it is. However, what you really need to do is to rub what you can call the roots of your nails. So you can either rub it against each other. However, if your nail shape does not allow your nail roots to touch each other, you can just keep rubbing them like this so that the roots of the nail actually get activated, and this will help in improving your hair condition. Shirolipa. Now Shirolipa is a part of something known as Panchkarma therapy. I'll not go into those boring details because then nobody will take interest in this video. But here's what I quickly want to mention about Shirolipa guys. Now the authentic Shirolipa is complicated to prepare and it is very dosha specific. However, I will share a much muted, a much more basic version of Shirolipa which you can prepare at home, which you can apply, and it will help anybody dealing with hair loss to a huge extent. So here's what you need for Shirolipa. You need some buttermilk, preferably use buttermilk which is prepared at home because it doesn't contain salt and it's actually much more natural. To this we'll add a little bit of amla and henna. Mix all the ingredients and then apply it all over your hair, all over your scalp. Leave it for 2 to 3 hours. Yes guys, I know 2 to 3 hours is a very long time. But Shirolipa is a mixture which needs to interact with your scalp because number one, when it stays on your scalp, it helps in improving blood circulation, and number two, Shirolipa is also something which imparts a lot of nutrients into your scalp, to your roots. So when it stays on your scalp for 2 to 3 hours, that is when the magic really happens. Now guys, KshirPak is without doubt one of the most powerful formulations in Ayurveda for treating hair fall. It's so great guys, you use it and immediately start seeing a difference. So it has a lot of pros, it also has a few cons, so I'll tell you a little bit more about that first and then we'll talk about how you can use it in the modern day lifestyle still. Now the benefits is obviously that it is so powerful. It was actually devised a really long time ago, about at 4000 BC, so it's that old. And it's really good not just for hair loss, but it also helps in improving hair growth. It also helps in dealing with premature hair graying. It has a lot of benefits. So I first tried out KshirPak when I was really young, you know. There was this native village where they were actually preparing this formulation kind of, and it has a really nice aroma. It has a very nice fragrance also. So then I went back home and I tried making it for myself. and guys, that is when reality hit me. It's very difficult to prepare. So it has these pros, it has these amazing benefits, and all of that. But the con is that it's very, very difficult to prepare. So you need milk, you need water, which are the only two ingredients I actually had that time. You also need sesame oil and 16 herbs, guys. I'll put the details in the description box below. And you know what? Let's take up the KshirPak challenge. If you want to try it out, like I have tried it, it did not work for me. It's been more than a decade and I still don't want to try it out. However, if you want to try it out, I will put all the formula and the entire recipe and everything in the description box below. You can totally check it out and take up the KshirPak challenge. If it works out for you guys, please let me know. I would be very excited to know about that. And obviously, if you can't prepare it at home, the only other alternative is to actually get it from the market for yourself, from a brand that's already making it. Now, there aren't a lot of brands actually making this formula because it is so hard. However, I recently found out that one of my most favorite brands, and this brand is something that I keep talking about, guys. Let me give you a full disclaimer because I get this question on my channel. Guys, Mama Earth has sent me these products, okay? They have sent me these products. But when I actually saw the product composition, I was like, this looks like KshirPak, and then I actually went ahead, I found out. So let me actually just show you this entire range first. So this range is called the Bring Amla range. They have a Bring Amla shampoo, a Bring Amla conditioner. They also have a Bring Amla hair mask, by the way, which I recently tried out, and it's absolutely amazing for the hair. But they also have one more thing, and that is the Mama Earth Bring Amla oil. And this is what I want to talk about. If you look at the product composition and if you compare it with what I have actually shared in the description box below, this is the exact KshirPak formulation. This is actually what KshirPak formulation looks like. And since it comes in a bottle, for the modern day lifestyle, if you want to use a KshirPak formulation, the easiest thing is to use it as a regular hair oil, which comes in a bottle. So just take a little bit, apply it on your hair, and here's a quick tip, guys. When you're applying it, please massage your scalp really well, because it also helps in improving the blood flow to your scalp. And again, deviating a little bit, guys, why is massaging the scalp so important when you're hair oiling? See, when you massage the oil, it improves blood circulation, which means that there is a better flow of blood on your scalp. When the blood flows more freely, more nutrients are reaching your hair roots, which means it improves the hair health. So that is the first thing. Massage it really well, and also apply it all to the length of your hair, also on the tips where the hair is like most damaged. So anyways, guys, if you want to make the formula yourself, it's completely up to you whether you want to make the formula, the KshirPak formula yourself, or whether you want to try these products. I'll put the formula details as well as the product links in the description box below. And of course, Mamaearth products are available on various e-commerce websites, and if you buy directly from the website, you can also use this off code for some extra discounts. And Mamaearth is an Indian brand, guys. If you're looking at Ayurveda, we obviously want to try out Indian brands only. So it's an Indian brand. The products are manufactured in India, plus it's a PETA certified cruelty-free brand, and also plastic positive, which means that they recycle more plastic than they use. Our last and final formulation is known as Thikkhatham Kashayam. Now, this may sound like a bit of a tongue twister to you, especially if you have never studied Sanskrit before. But guys, it's such a powerful and such a potent combination of ancient medicines and herbs. Now, before I move ahead, let me tell you, this is not something which you apply to your hair. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'll talk about a lot of different things today. This is basically something which you consume with your mouth. It's one of those formulations. And I will not share any links in the description box below. It's actually not very easy to find online anyway, because this is something which you need to take only after speaking to your Ayurvedic doctor. Why am I talking about this still? Well, guys, the reason why I'm talking about this in today's video is because I know a lot of my viewers, I get all these letters, a lot of my viewers have tried modern medicines, have tried seeing dermatologists, so many doctors, but nothing has worked for you. So just find out all these details and try out whichever of these formulations you think will work best for you. There are so many formulations which I've shared with you guys today, and honestly it just depends on who needs what. Everybody's needs are different, right? When it comes to hair loss, so many factors could be contributing to it. But I specifically wanted to do an Ayurvedic related video today, guys, because Ayurveda is one of the most beautiful ancient sciences that we have, and India has such amazing reserves of ancient knowledge. If you actually start following Ayurveda, like I have read a lot about Ayurveda and I've tried a lot of things also. I don't know if you know this or not, but in a lot of my DIYs, I actually use a lot of Ayurvedic concepts also to kind of just help improve your hair, your skin texture and things like that. So I think it's such a great yet forgotten science which definitely needs to come back. So anyways, just want to share a little bit of that today in this video. I don't do a lot of Ayurvedic related videos, but this was just one of those. If you have any favorite compositions, any formulations from Ayurveda that you would want to share with me, please share them with me in the comment section below. And if you like this video, if you thought this video was nice, it's kind of different from what I usually do on my channel. If you like this video guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications guys, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. Thank you so much for watching guys. This is me Prachi signing off now. Bye bye.